Hello, let's open the laptop and see what can be upgraded. First, it is necessary to unscrew 10 screws. Carefully remove the bottom cover of the device, under which is motherboard. It is safest to disconnect the battery to avoid a short circuit. To disconnect the battery, pull the connector down. The device can be upgraded with one DDR4 memory. The device can be upgraded with one M.2 SSD drive and one SATA SSD, which requires an additional cable. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.